day, long weekend. We have found a wonderful free spot, our rig. We're here for a couple of days, so we have the bathroom and shower, master bedroom, kitchen, and clothes. We have a lounger. This is actually really comfortable. A little bit later, or a little bit down the road, we've put the table there because people are actually wanting to park right up next to us. A couple of weeks ago, we were down there, and all right, so let me show you what I've done. We've boiled some potatoes, and I just put them around. And of course, someone's having fun. Someone's a happy little girl. Camera shy. Anyway, so let them dry out and crispen up a little bit. And then we vacuum sealed this the other night. And we've got a Cabernet Sauvignon for tonight. And I don't know if anybody's actually seen this. So, bit of mood light, or put some light on. Mood light, which can change different colors. So I'll put that on tonight.
Yeah.
Just something I whipped up quickly. Look at that piece of meat. It is perfect. So I'm going to cut that up into slices, and then we can try that. And we've both got the
Beautiful. All right.
So there we go. That's water's boiling, and
I'm just gonna.
moving on. Way too many potatoes. Got a nice fire, and oh, look, nice sunset. We woke up to a very foggy day. It was so foggy that it wasn't even worthwhile trying to film because you couldn't see anything. So the sun's starting to come up and the fog is dispersing. It was actually a beautiful early morning. There we go. Come on, Enz. Hope we can get some solar in today. The animals to bake a cake. How's that for a mirror? What do you think?
This is bloody fantastic. It really is. I can sit here, look extra beautiful. Only kidding. No, it's great. See? I can even have a warm ambiance. Bright movie lights. Or natural plain.
Cool. If you leave a comment,
You're not getting one.
but we can tell you where to get one from because we've forgotten at the moment. Breakfast of champions. Good morning. Now that the fog has disappeared, same as half this loaf of bread. The secret is really good thick slices. And then we will put it into our oven. Which has already been used. Just use the kettle. Well, hopefully the sun will charge it, but power on. Sun's out. Oh, that's still hot. This is our second breakfast. Sourdough bread is probably by far the bestest. Now I'm going to lie to the machine a little bit. I'm going to quite dark. I know there's only 4 slices, but we're going to lie to it and say it's 6. Push start. 4 minutes. Through the magic of YouTube and editing, we have 4 slices of toast, homemade toast, cooked to perfection. And this is homemade toast. If you want the recipe,
We can do a bit of butter. We can do a bit of butter. I gotta have it in order. I have to have Vegemite and this and then that. And I've got to have it really cold to have my honey. Ooh, too much Vegemite, honey.
never enough and never too much. Look at this one. Yeah, you're back.
Yeah.
Okay, for those that like Vegemite, is this too much? We have just tidied up a little bit. I've just put the shower tent away because eventually today we will start heading back. I've got to work and still with a beautiful campsite. Just peaceful. This is what we wanted. And then I reeled in my line from that I put in last night, and lo and behold, there was a fish on the end of the hook. So it was a little carp that we've pulled out and tossed away. Indy is still scouting for it because she saw me around that general direction. Our camp at the moment, I'll just get rid of the ashes shortly, and out of 44 kilograms of wood we have 2 left. So our table, which is unbelievably amazing, no, it just really is, it's folds up, and our rig itself it's been an absolute pleasure to stay the 5 days here.
Right, really has me see me. Oh, I'm getting into home. Thank you. The other one disappearing around the bend.
The thing's moving out there.
It is actually. I've done that, they're asking if they would too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful day. Best day. The other one disappearing around the bend.
The thing's moving like that.
It is actually.